Welcome to Math Class Children. Today you are going to learn about the new chapter Visualizing Solid Shapes. First I'll tell you about plane figures and solid figures. What are the difference between solid figures and plane figures? Here, example for plane figures, you know which are plane figures, right? Square is a plane figure. Rectangle is a plane figure. Circle and triangle. See, all these are called plane figures. Here, cone, cube, cuboid, cylinder. These are called solid figures. So what are the difference between plane figures and solid figure? Here, they have flat surfaces. They have flat surfaces. Nodi nimge rectangle or take a paper. Okay. See, it has flat surface. Right now, children. See, here you can measure only. These are called 2D figures. Okay. What do you mean by 2D? 2D is nothing but two-dimensional figure. In plane figures means see, all are closed figures, right? Ella close ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Closed figure. And we can measure, for example, take blackboard. You can measure length of the board and breadth of the board, right? We can measure only two dimensions here, right, children? Length and breadth of the. So that's why these are called 2D figures. And these are, for example, take a cube. Cube or cuboid. For example, ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆರ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮನೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it is like a cuboid shape, right? No, so cuboid shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. And you can measure the length of the, see, these are called 3D figure. So what can you measure here? You can measure length of the room, breadth of the room, and also height of the room. Okay, children. So plane figures are 2D figures and solid figures are 3D figures. We can measure only length and breadth here, and we can measure height also. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೀವು ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ರೂಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಮ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಇದೆ ರೂಮ್. ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಮ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಗಲ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಮ್. Right now, children. So in solid shapes, we can measure 3 dimensions. And plane figures have, we can measure surface area. Okay, we can measure area and perimeter for the plane figures. And here we can measure area as well as volume. Can we measure volume for plane figures? No, we cannot. For example, take a paper. We can measure the area of the paper, right? No, so by measuring length and breadth, length ಮತ್ತೆ breadth ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಪೇಜ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್, ರೈಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ನಾವು ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ನೀವು ಇದೇ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ನೀವು ಕೋನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪೊಟ್ನ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಪೊಟ್ನ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಪೊಟ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪೊಟ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಎ cone, right children? So cone is a solid figure. We can measure volume. Here we can measure only area. Okay children, these are the main differences between plane figures and solid figure. These are flat surfaces. flat and closed figures are called plane figures, and solid figures, see, they have made of more than 3 faces. Okay, so faces inda irutte and we cannot write on the plane. Onde plane mele bariyakke namge agalla. Okay, then next go to in first main we have some questions on views. Okay, before that, for example, here you have in this chapter you are going to do some activity, children, so everybody must do at home. Okay, now take a matchbox. If you hold the matchbox in your hand, you can see all the faces of the matchbox, right? ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ faces, it is example for cuboid. Matchbox is example for cuboid. So you can see all the 6 faces. For example, take another object, take geometry box, right? It is also example for cuboid. So if you hold the geometry box, you can measure, sorry, you can see all the faces of the geometry box. Or take soap box or bottle. If you take a bottle, you can see ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾ sides or faces na ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, right? For example, if it is near, you can see all the faces. If it is far from you, for example, keep the geometry box or matchbox far away from you. Can you see all the faces of matchbox? No, you cannot see. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ faces ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. For example, if you see the sun from here, does it look like a sphere? Sphere ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ sun ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ? No, it looks like a circle because it is very far away from here, right now, children? So like that, if it is far away from you, you can't see all the faces, right? So here they have given some pictures and you are going to write the top view and side view and front view. Okay, see, ನಾವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Exercise 10.1, for each of the given solid, the 2 views are given. Match the following. See, it is like match the following. They have given side view and top view. Okay, children. So what is the first one here? So first one is bottle. Side view. Side view only ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ? So bottle ತರಾನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Bottle shape ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. And if you see from top view, see, it looks like you can see only the cap, right? No, cap ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. So ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು match ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And come to the second one, weighing stone. Okay, so ಅದು side view. weighing stone ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು side ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? See, answer is first one. See, it looks like this, right? No, and if you see from top view, see, it looks like this, right? No, fifth one, you had to match it, children. And third one, it is flask. So side view is, see, it is flask ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. Top view ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ answer is B. Okay, so ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Next, cup and saucer. See, it is last one and third one. Yes, this one, third one. Next to tin or container, B, and the top view is first one. Second question, for each of the given solid, the three views are given. Okay, in previous question, we saw only two views. Those are side view and top view. Okay, and here they have given front, side and top. Three views kottidare, and yes, let us see how they are. For example, first one, Almera. Okay, so cupboard ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ front view, frontal ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. And side view means you can see only one wall, one rectangular shape ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So all of you stand in front of the cupboard, children, so that you can understand easily. And if you see from the top, so you can see the top ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ portion ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. See, it is like rectangle. And second one, matchbox. See, this is side view and this is front, right? Front now open ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, front, and this is top view. And third one, television. First one is front view. This is side view, right now children? Side view, and this is top view. Next, car. So it is front view. ನಿಮ್ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. This is side view, right now? And this is top view. So here also they have given some figures, children. For each given solid, identify the top view, front view, and side view. See, they have given pictures here. See, this is, if you see from the top, so you can see all the three squares, right now? 1, 2, 3. ನೀವು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 squares ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ like this, right now children? And the second one, front ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, see, if you see from the front, you can see only these two, right? See, front view and this is side view. Side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡೇ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, 2 squares. Okay, and the second one, first one, we have only 2. See, if you see from the side in the nodudre, okay, you can see only 2, and this is front view and this is top view. Male in the nodudre, you can see all the cubes here, right now? Ella cube squares means nimge male in the nodudre bari squares matra ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, right? So this is top view. And third one, first one is, this is top view. You can see only these two, right now? Top view, and 3 and the side view. This is front. See, if you see from the front, nimgella kansate 1, 2, 3, 3 cubes kanutte. Next, D. See, if you see from the side, you can see only 2. Front in the ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and this is top view, 1, 2, 3. You can see 3 squares. And the last one, if you see from the front, you can see 1, 2, 3 squares. Okay, and here this is top view, 1, 2, 3. See these two and this one. This is from the top and this is side view. Okay, children. So you have to write for all. Next one. Draw the front view, side view, and top view of the given object. See, they have given a tent here, right children? See, this is front. This is side and this is top. ಅಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, right? And table, see this is top and this is front and this is side. Weighing stone, this is top view, side and front. Front and side both are same here, right? And this is hexagonal block. This is front, side and top. Okay, I'll show you the figures, children. See front, this is side view and top view. Hexagonally front view and you can see the hexagon here, right? No, see polygon mata namage hexagon kanutte, and side view and the top view. See top view, you're seeing 3 dots here. It is dice, 3 dots irodu mele ide. Next side view, you can see 1 dot, and here, okay, one side will be 2 and this is 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Yes, front view, side view and top view. Exercise 10.2. Look at the given map of a city. See, they have given a map here and you have to answer for the given questions. What is the first one? Color the map as follows. You have to color the map, children, and they have given the instructions here. See, blue water. First read what is given in the map. See, cemetery, police station, fire station, bus department. This is lake, city park, primary school, locality, hospital, library, market, locality, and secondary school. This is water plant, community center. This is city college. Okay, they have given some places here and also streets are also given, children. What is the first question? Color the map as follows. Blue water. You have to color water bodies. Which are water bodies here? See, lake ide, right? See, lake na navu blue alli mark ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And red for fire station. Color the fire station with red color, and library orange color, school yellow color, park green, college pink, hospital purple, cemetery brown. See, you have to color like this, children. See, these two are water bodies. Water plant and lake ide alva. So adero schools yellow color. 2 schools are given, primary and secondary. So you have to color both in yellow. Fire station brown. Okay, you have to color like this. Next question. Mark a green X at the intersection of Road C and Nehru Road. See, Road C is here, Nehru Road is here. You had to mark a green X. Green color alli X anta mark ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Where the Road C and Nehru Road are intersecting. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ X ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. And green Y at intersection of Gandhi Road and Road A. Where is Road A? Road A is here. Gandhi Road is here. See, both the road and Road A and Gandhi Road, both are intersecting at this point. So here you are going to write Y. Okay, children. See, this is X, sorry, X, and this is Y. Third question. In red, Draw a short straight route from library to bus depot. Library to bus depot. Say your library is here and bus depot is here. Say this is the shortest distance. Next, fourth one. Which is the further east? The city park or the market? See, where is our city park? City park is here. Okay, green color idalva. You have colored with green, right? This is city park and market. Market is here. See, we know which is in the map, which is east. This is east and this is west, right? So, east alli yavudide antandre city park. Next question, which is further south in primary school and secondary. See, south yavadu kelgade barutte, right? North mele barutte, south kelgade. So, primary school mele ide, secondary school south al barutte. Okay, so answer is secondary school. Yes, that's it, children. Next question. Draw a map of your classroom using proper scale and symbols for different objects. So these are all activities, children, activities you have to do at home. And draw a map of your school compound. You have to draw, in school in picture barutte adana neevu draw madbeku. Compound and playground ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು or garden, main building. So ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು locate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Next, draw a map giving instructions. You have to give instructions to your friend. Okay. So that she reaches your house without any difficulty. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. These are all your activities, children. Next exercise 10.3. First question, can a polyhedron have 4 its faces? Before that, I will explain what are polyhedrons. Polyhedrons. So what do you mean by poly? Already you know about polygon, right? Polygon. Poly is nothing but many. Hedron means faces. Polyhedrons are made of many faces. We know about polygons, right? See, polygons are 2D figures, 2D shapes, right? Which are polygons? Triangle, square, rectangle. These are called polygons. Polygons is nothing but, polygon is a closed figure, closed plane figure made of some sides. Right now, children? Made of line segments are called polygons. Artha aita? Closed figure made of 3 or more line segments. They are called polygons. They are 2D figures. And what are polyhedrons? These are 3D figures. Already I have explained 2D and 3D, 3-dimensional figures anta heltivi. So these are made of line segment. What are polyhedrons? These are made of polygons. Okay. So solid figure, you know about solid figure. We can measure length, breadth and height of the objects or figures, right? Matchbox, birthday cap, dice. These are all called solid shapes. So solid shapes with flat faces and straight edges are called polyhedrons. Say they are made of straight lines, line segment ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು polygon ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Solid shapes with different faces. Faces ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they are called polygons. Polygons ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು polyhedrons ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Solid shapes with flat faces and straight edges are called polyhedrons. For example, cube is a polyhedron. Cube, prism, and pyramid. These are all called polyhedrons. Plural form for polyhedrons are polyhedra. And what about cylinder? Cylinder and cone. They are not polyhedrons. Why they are not polyhedrons? Because they have curved faces. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ curved faces ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? Polyhedrons are made of flat faces. Understand, children? Polyhedrons made of flat faces. But cone and cylinder have curved faces, right? So that's why they are not polyhedrons. I think all of you understood about polyhedrons, right? Flat. Sorry. Flat faces and straight edges. Edges is nothing but sides. I will explain prism and pyramid. What is the difference between prism and pyramid? We know both are 3D shapes, right? No? I'll show you the picture, children, for prism and pyramid. Okay. I think all of you know about pyramids, right? No? Egyptian pyramids ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay. Here in prism, the top and base or bottom, okay, have same shape. You should not confuse prism and pyramid. That's why I'm explaining this, children. Top and base have same shape. Okay. So if there is triangle at the bottom, there will be triangle on the top also. Okay. Top alli kuda namge triangle irutte. Kelgade base allu namge triangle irutte. If it is square, so top also there will be square face. Okay. So if it is rectangle, this is also rectangle. Like this top and base have same shape. And sides or all faces are rectangle and parallel to each other. See, side faces side faces are all faces are rectangle. Okay. Rectangle and parallel to each other. Next example, see, this is if there is triangle at the bottom, this is called triangular based prism. If it is square, this is called square based prism. If it is rectangle, it is called rectangular based prism or hexagon, heptagon. So number of sides mele navu adanna name ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, this is about prism. Okay, top and base has same shapes. Here, this is also, it has single base. here we are seeing two faces right now, top matte bottom eradu irutte, and here you can see only the bottom andre base matra irutte, and here so all the faces will meet at a point. Okay, ella face hogi ellagutte point alli meet ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It has single base and here all the faces, here they are rectangle anta helidvi, here all the faces are triangle. Okay children, triangular shape alli irutte. Pyramids ನೀವು once you imagine recall the pyramid picture, okay, you see the triangle shapes right now. Next, they converge at the top. See, all the faces are converging at the top. Okay, so this is about pyramid. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ faces ಬಂದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೇಸಸ್ rectangles ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay children, if there is a triangle, there will be 3 triangles here. Okay, 3 triangles irutte. If there is square, so there will be 4 squares, and if there is rectangle, 4 rectangles irutte. Okay, here also 4 ide, 4 triangles irutte. 4 triangles illi point alli meet agutte. I think all of you understood about prism and pyramid. We'll go for the exercise. Can a polyhedron have for its faces 3 triangles? See, by using 3 triangles, can you make any polyhedron, children? See, 1 triangle will be at the bottom ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ, and 2 side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ರೆ, okay, one will be opened only. Right now it will not be closed, so we cannot make polyhedron by using 3 triangles. It is not possible. Next one, 4 triangles. Yes, of course we can make triangular pyramid. Okay, see, triangular based pyramid ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 4 triangular faces, square and 4 triangles. Yes, we can make. Is it possible to have polyhedron with any number of faces? Think of a pyramid. Okay, only if the number of faces are greater than or equal to 4. At least we should have 4 faces, then only we can have a polyhedron. Which are prisms among the following? Okay, see, first figure is nail, this is pencil, unsharpened pencil, this is table weight, and this is box. Nail. See, before prism ge hogak munche, okay, let us check whether it is a polyhedron or not. Polyhedron is nothing but, already I had told you, it is made of flat faces, right? See, nail is not a polyhedron because it has curved face. Right now, curved face ide illi, so it is not a polyhedron, so it is not a prism. Come to the second one, pencil. See, here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is hexagon. See, back also there will be hexagon, right? No, so ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಟಾಪ್ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಎರಡು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ, hexagon shape ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? And you can see the flat surfaces around that, right? So it is a prism. Third one, table weight. It is not a prism, right? See, all the faces are meeting at the point or converging at the point. So it is a pyramid, not a prism. And here top and bottom both are same, so it is a prism. How are prisms and cylinders alike? See, cylinders are like prisms ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. How they are? ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See, cylinder, prism, we know the top and bottom are same ಅಂತ. So in cylinder also, so top and bottom are circles, right? No circular bases ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That's why they are saying they are alike. How are pyramids and cones? See, pyramids, see, all the face are meeting at the converging at the point, right? No, converging at the top. And in cone also, it has circular base and meeting at the top. That's why they are a pyramid with circular base. Is a square prism same as a cube? Explain. Square prism, yes, it is a cube is a square. Square prism is a cube. Prism is nothing but we know. See, square prism andre bottom alli ಒಂದು square ಇರುತ್ತೆ, top ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು square ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟು squares ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4 squares ಬರುತ್ತೆ, right? Top, bottom and lateral faces, right? 4 lateral faces, all are squares. Top and bottom all are squares. So then we call it as a cube. So square prism is same as cube. Next, children. So I will explain you Euler's formula. See, we have a formula here that is called Euler's formula. That is, okay, before that I'll tell you. For example, take a cube, children. We know the number of faces, right? Number of faces is, it has 6 faces and vertices. For example, take room, children. Room ge ಎಷ್ಟು vertices or ಎಷ್ಟು corners ಇರುತ್ತೆ? How many corners? There are 8 corners. How many edges? 12. Sides 12 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. And what about cuboid? It is same for cuboid also, right? And here 6, 8, 12. F, V, E. If you add faces and vertices, faces na ಮತ್ತೆ vertices na add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, okay, and subtract E, you will get a magical number, that is 2. Take any solid shape, add faces, number of faces and number of vertices, and subtract the number of edges, you will get the magical number 2. Okay, children. See, 8 plus 6, it is 14. 14 minus 12, it is 2. Okay, like this we'll see some more examples. And we write the formula like this: F plus V minus E is equal to 2. This is what Euler's formula. F plus V minus E, we get 2. They have given figures here. So for this, you are going to find the number of, you have to use Euler's formula for this. Okay. See, It is the prism, right? See how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is pentagon, right? No? See pentagon ide, so base also pentagon irutte. So how many faces are here? See 1, 2. So total lateral, how many lateral faces are there? See 5 sides and then there will be 5 rectangles, right now children? So 5 top and bottom. 5, 6, 7. Faces are 7 and number of edges. See here it is 5, bottom 5, 10 and lateral faces only 5 irutte. So total 15. And vertices 5 and bottom. Top matte base. Ali ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ 5, 5. It is 10. Okay, now I'm going to apply Euler's formula. That is F plus V minus C, that is equal to 2. Okay, if you substitute all the values here, we have to get the magical number 2. Let us see. See, F is 7 plus V, that is 10 minus edges, that is 15. 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 minus 15, that is equal to 2. Right, children? Yes, we'll go for the next one. This is square based. See, it is Q pyramid there. Okay, and here we have the cube or cuboid. Okay, how many faces are here? It has 6 faces. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 sides ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 4 faces ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 4 sides ಇದೆ, so 4 faces ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 4 and this is 6. Six. Okay, it is pyramid, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so total faces are 9 here, and vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 9, and edges, see 12, and here 4 are here, so total 16. So apply the formula here. F plus V minus E, that is equal to 2. F, that is 9 plus vertices also 9. Edges 16, that is equal to true. So Euler's formula is verified. Here children, they have given faces, vertices and edges. They have given vertices and edges. Here you have to find faces. Okay, so ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by using the formula. Here F plus first one, see faces are not given, you have to find it. So F plus what is a 6 ಇದೆ, edges 12 ಇದೆ, that is equal to 2. So F is equal to 6 minus 12 is minus 6. If you shift it into right hand side, it will become plus 6. So it is 8. Next, you have to find out the vertices, number of vertices. So use the formula and find it. 5 plus 4 minus 9 is equal to 2. So 5 minus 9, that is minus 4. Shift this minus 4 to right hand side. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 20 edges, and 15 vertices? See, they have given face a number of faces, edges, and vertices. ಸೊ ಪಾಲಿಹೆಡ್ರನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, if this satisfies the Euler's formula, then we can say it is possible. Okay, now use this. F is face is 10 ide and 15 vertices and minus 20. So 25 minus 20 is 5. We had to get the magical number 2, but we are not getting 2 here, so which is not equal to 2. Therefore polyhedron is not possible because it is not satisfying the Euler's formula. Okay children, I think all of you understood the lesson. Say this is very small, this is small chapter, this is just about polyhedrons and Euler's formula. You have only 2 concepts in this lesson. Keep practicing. We'll start the new chapter in the next class. Thank you.